This week's problem of the week comes to us from the Journal for Middle School Math Teachers, which this month has a cover story entitled 10 Tips for Making Fractions Come Alive. At your newsstands now. Well, Danica is driving her car on an interstate highway. She noticed a number which is a palindrome on her odometer. She drives for 2 more hours and sees another number on her odometer, which is also a palindrome. Our job is to find her average speed for those 2 hours. Well, a number which is a palindrome has to have these 2 digits the same. These 2 digits have to be the same. And in this palindrome that has 5 digits, the one in the center can be any digit we like. So if we change these 2 outer digits, the difference between our new palindrome and the old one is over 10,000 miles. And while that difference is a palindrome itself, it's unreasonable that someone could drive 10,000 miles in 2 hours. So let's try this one. The difference is just over 1,000 miles, still unreasonable to drive that far in 2 hours. But if we leave those 2 4s alone and change the center digit to a 0, now we have 2 palindromes that are just 110 apart, and she could drive 110 miles in 2 hours with an average speed of 55 miles per hour. And we need to check if there's any other reasonable answers. The next palindrome after the one we just looked at is this one. The difference would be 210 miles, and she would have to go over 100 miles an hour, which brings us back to this answer as the only reasonable answer, 55 miles per hour, for this week's problem of the week.